Hey guys, I wanted to show you the results of the coasters that we did not too long ago that have the flowers and the translucents. Some worked out and some didn't. Which one is your favorite? Obviously, these ones that I'm showing you in the beginning are my favorite of the ones that we did. And this one, the big square, is a fail. But this one turned out really nice. The inlaid flowers in our river coasters. I love how it looked up. I'm going to have to just do a flood coat over it. This one, ultimately, I wasn't sure how it was going to go. If you want to see how we did all of these, I'll leave a link down in the description box to the video where we made these. The resin did get under the flowers, which of course it did. Why wouldn't it? It left a neat little impression because of the metallic particles in the resin. So it left like a hint of what the flowers, where they are. And on the back, it still looks kind of cool. 0% what I was going for. Not 1,000% happy with it, but it did leave an interesting result. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. And the pineapple that I did actually turned out really neat. It wasn't, I used a base white, I believe, in this. So the white didn't sink like I wanted it to, but it did still leave some pretty interesting looking, not accents, oh my gosh, words. Reactions, results. Anyways, interesting looking everythings. But this one, I also did not tack down the flowers, and the resin did get under it, but since it was just a clear, sparkly resin, it looks just fine. I love how this looks. I want to do a bigger piece that's similar to this with bigger flowers. I think it turned out super cute. But what do you guys think about this one? Please leave me some notes down in the description box with your thoughts on each of these. Which one was your favorite? Which one wasn't? Anytime you interact with my channel, it, excuse me, YouTube really likes it. So please interact as much as possible. Leave me your thumbs. And, okay, Bowie says hi. So sorry about that interruption, you guys, but the stingray turned out really nice. I will also leave a link down in the description, the description box with the colors that I used on these and the link to the clear substrates. I love working on the clear substrates because it's like doing a mold, a cast of these shapes, but using way less resin because you don't have to fill a mold and they're rigid the next day. I don't have to wait for the resin to cure for it to not like wilt and become soft resin. Super love that idea. Anyways, and the fact that you see the back of this, how dirty it is, all that resin, it would be on the back of a coaster and I'd have to sand it off and clean it and etc. But with these, you just peel off the brown backing and it's no muss, no fuss cleanup. This one is interesting. I don't know how the back turned out this way. It's solid white and it has this interesting, oh my goodness, all these medicines I'm taking makes me forget the words. But anyways, super interesting look on the back. And it looks like it's wherever the gold two lines are is where this kind of design element happened. I don't know if that is a thing. I just noticed that that's where it is. I don't know if it makes a difference, but we'll try to test it and see if we can replicate that. And now on this one, I super love the little design elements from the white sinking through the gold and the translucent pink, leaving this super interesting look. And it also happened in the white again. And so I really want to develop this look and try to recreate it on like a consistent basis. It's only right here where the white and the pink and the gold are. It's interesting. I'm gonna have to do some tests because on this one it is where the gold lines are across as well. These two is kind of where this is. I don't know. What do you guys think? Why do you guys think this is happening? I super love it. Have you been able to recreate a look like that? I know it's a lot of what is in when you do molds with resin, when you do the alcohol ink and drop white and it sinks and all that. I think it's pretty much the same deal, but anyways, I hope you guys like this video, like these coasters. Let me know which one is your favorite and what you think. I will leave a link, like I said, to the colors, the clear substrates, and video of making these. If you guys are so interested, they'll be in the description box. Please subscribe to the channel and leave me your thumbs and a comment. And if you want to support a small business like mine, I would super love it, because every purchase counts for a small business. It makes dreams come true and stay true. And thank you guys so much for your leniency with my uploads while I've been sick. I have no idea what this devil cold is, but I don't recommend it to anyone. 0 out of 10 stars in my opinion. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Be kind to one another, because you never know what someone's going through. And always remember that we do the test so you don't have to. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. We said bye.